Welcome everyone to channel of the NEM-TRADE. Today Virtual Riches will be hosting the show and our focal point is ERC 404. ERC 404 represents a novel concept within the Ethereum chain, presenting a fresh narrative in the market. Its primary objective is to enhance the accessibility to the Ethereum market by merging the ERC20 tokens and ERC721 NFT addresses. This collaboration streamlines the user experiences, eliminating the need for two separate addresses. Additionally, ERC404 aims to optimize chain speed, reduce the transaction fees, and simplify the processes. Notably, we have observed the Pandora's listing on kucoin, with more listing anticipated. It is essential to acknowledge the inherent risk in the new narrative. It visible remains the contingent on ERC404's verification, which, albeit the sharing of similarities with ETC404, aims to address the previous faults and flaws. As we anticipated the BEC emerging as a significant contributor to the ERC404's next listing, it's crucial to approach this investment with the caution. This potential for the 2x increase in a value upon listing is noteworthy, but requires a research. Conduct your own research on Dior before making any investment decisions. Thank you for hearing me.